Okay, we are back with a very short analysis that we are going to take right now. Last week was a little bit slow and lull as Ethereum and Ethereum coin basically saw a very high of 34.48, and it did well in the past few days and in the past few weeks. But then again, for the next 2 days, that was the last 2 days, it was coming in a range. So that's why we were not around. And now that it was in a range, was testing the trend, and it has taken a dip. And since it was in a downward trend, it was favoring the sellers, the short sellers. And right now it's adjusting itself in the market. Okay. And most probably, now that we have a breakout over here, that we see change in the trend over here, the break of structure is there, and most probably it is going to be hovering somewhere around here for some time, and then over here as it has seen in the last few weeks. So this is the new support that you're looking at, and this is the resistance that you're looking at in 30-minute time frame. So what we're expecting over here can be a bumpy ride for sure. So we have to be on a very, very cautious lookout. And most probably, this is going to take an upward turn from here before it actually hunts the stop losses at this point exactly. Okay, this is the point where you should be setting up your stop losses and then planning for the next few moves the long for the long run. Okay, and for the long haul. And that should be on your radar. It is basically adjusting itself over here, and it will take an upward march. Of course, it will climb up for sure. For the past 2 weeks, it's because the markets are basically reacting to the news as the Fed is going to cut the interest rate, and that is going here, and we should be expecting some fluctuations happening over here. I'm not going over the news right now, but what I'm actually giving you is kind of opinion, not financial advice. So you have to be a little bit cautious. This is the point where it's correcting itself. Don't actually really fall for that. Might actually fall itself uh, to this point. Before it actually hits this point, prepare yourself and make sure that your stop losses are safe enough that you don't lose your investment. Ethereum is fluctuating quite a lot. It has fluctuated in these 2 days for the short traders. And for shorting, of course, that was a very conducive and friendly movement that we had in the last few days, the last couple of days. So we are on the lookout right now. It will actually climb up as the trend is actually showing. And it will actually give you sizable profits. We're waiting. We're waiting for that moment. That's all for now from Papa Scaw. Do come back and check back again, and we'll have more news for you. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.